article is the types of vectors. Next article is the types of vectors. How many types of vectors? How many types of vectors? There are different type of vectors, out of which almost all type of vector we learn here. And the first type of the vector is, what is that? That is equal vector. Equal vectors. First type of the vector is equal vectors. So what is the equal vectors? Let us tell me, what is the equal vectors? Draw the diagram. Yes, you draw diagram. This is a straight line provided with arrow. Vector starts from this point, end to this point. We already explained to you, we learned here, starting point of the vector is tail, end point of the vector head, and we represent this vector mathematically, analytically. Another vector B, parallel. So this is the equal vector and this is represented by symbol B. How to read this vector? This vector A, this vector B, and magnitude of vector A, magnitude, mod and letter, is equal to magnitude of vector B. So what I understand here? If we take the displacement vector, A is the displacement vector, its magnitude is say 2 meter. Magnitude is 2 meter. B is again the displacement vector and again its magnitude is 2 meter. This indicates that magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of B. Magnitude of vector A is equal to magnitude of vector B. And next, both are in the same direction. 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 Magnitude of vector A is equal to magnitude of vector B, and both are in the same direction. Let us tell what is the definition of the equal vectors. The two vectors are said to be equal. The two vectors are said to be equal. They have equal in magnitude and same in direction. Equal in magnitude and same in direction. Equal in magnitude and same in direction is called as equal vectors. Now, next, angle between two equal vector A's, that is theta is equal to, दोन पॅरलल लाईन मधला अँगल किती असतो? थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 डिग्री और थीटा इज इक्वल टू किती? 0 डिग्री. एंगल बिटवीन टू इक्वल वेक्टर इज 0 डिग्री. And this is the equal vector. This is equal vector. Now, second type of the vector is opposite vector. Opposite vector or negative vector. Second type, opposite. Opposite vector. Opposite vectors are negative vector. Opposite vectors are negative vectors. So let us tell what is here opposite vectors. So this vector A and this vector B, this vector A and this vector B, both have equal in magnitude. Magnitude of vector A is equal to magnitude of vector B, but their direction is exactly opposite. Direction is opposite to each other. लक्षात येतं, हा या डायरेक्शनला असेल तर दुसरा वेक्टर असा असेल. बरेचशे विद्यार्थ्यांना असे वाटत असेल, इथं लक्षात ठेवा, वेक्टरची डायरेक्शन अशी आहे म्हणून वर एरो असं ठेवलाय, आणि वेक्टरची डायरेक्शन असं असेल तर एरो इकडे तोंड करून नाही. बरेचशा वाटतं, तर याची डायरेक्शन मात्र याच दिशेला असते. हे असंच असतं, इकडे काढू नका चुकून सुद्धा. जर समजा एखादा वेक्टर असा असेल, हे वेक्टर असा, तर याला का असं लिहायचं का? नाही, दिस इज नॉट हिअर. म्हणजे कसं आहे वेक्टर रिप्रेझेंटेशन. व्हॉट इज द अँगल बिटवीन negative vector or opposite vector? The angle between theta 180 degree or pi radian. या दोन वेक्टर मधला angle between equal vector is 0 degree. Angle between opposite vector is 180 degree. You may ask, that is 180 degree. Now next, third type of the vector, equal vector, opposite vector, and now next third type of the vector, now next the third type of vector is the parallel vector. That is third type of the vector, parallel vector. Parallel vectors. Parallel vectors. What is parallel vectors? This vector A and this vector B is vector A, vector B, vector A and vector B are parallels. Once again, the angle between the two vectors is 0 degree. What is the definition of the parallel vector? Two vectors are said to be parallel or equal and parallel. What is the difference? In a parallel vector, direction is the same. In a parallel vector, direction is the same. This vector A and we take this vector B. This vector A and this vector B both are along the same straight line. Angle between them is 0. Parallel vector. Parallel vector. And this vector again a parallel vector. What is the definition of the parallel vector? Two vectors are said to be parallel. They are in the same direction. They are in the same direction. What about their magnitude? Either the magnitude may be same or different. Magnitude may be same or different. That is called as parallel vectors. And fourth is the anti-parallel vector. Anti-parallel vectors. Anti-parallel vectors. What is anti-parallel vector? This vector A and this vector B. Direction opposite. Anti-parallel vector are this vector A and this vector B. This vector B. Arrow you must remember. In vectors, line segment is not important. Line segment with arrow is the important. And so therefore while drawing the figure you must care. लक्षात येण्यासाठी काय म्हणतो, नुसती रेषा काढला ती महत्वाची नाही. रेषेवर ते बाण दाखवला तरच वेक्टर आणि बाण नाही दाखवला तर स्केलर होतो. म्हणून वेक्टर असेल तर अत्यंत काळजी घ्यायची. काय काळजी घ्यायची? लाईन काढायची, त्याच्यावर ते ॲरो, म्हणजे हा वेक्टर या दिशेला चाललेला आहे आणि हा वेक्टर या येत आहे. मग हे दोन अँटी पॅरलल वेक्टर्स आहेत आणि या दोन वेक्टर मधला अँगल किती असेल सांगा मला. या दोन वेक्टर मधला अँगल थीटा इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री और पाय अरे इथला अँगल किती? थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 डिग्री. थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 डिग्री. लक्षात येतं ना दोन्ही मध्ये. आता याचे डेफिनेशन काय? टू वेक्टर्स आर सेड टू बी अँटी पॅरलल टू इच अदर. They are oppositely directed. They are oppositely directed. Their magnitude must be same or different. Their magnitude must be same or different. It's called as anti-parallel vectors. Anti-parallel vectors. Next, collinear vectors. Collinear वेक्टर्स. काय बेटा इम्पॉर्टंट टर्म, प्रत्येक लक्षात येताना टाइप ऑफ वेक्टर्स कोलिनियर वेक्टर्स. व्हाट इज कोलिनियर वेक्टर्स? सी द फिगर. दिस वेक्टर A, this vector B and this vector A, this vector B or this vector A, this vector B or this vector A and this vector B. This vector B. These are the collinear vectors. Then what is the definition of collinear vector? You observe from this figure. हे दोन पॅरलल आहेत, वेक्टर A आणि हा वेक्टर B पॅरलल आहे. इथं सुद्धा दोन वेक्टर पॅरलल आहेत. या ठिकाणी हे दोन वेक्टर कसे आहेत? अँटी पॅरलल. इथंही अँटी पॅरलल. Two vectors are said to be collinear. Two vectors are said to be collinear if they have equal in magnitudes or different in magnitudes, either same or different, along the same straight line, along the same direction. Collinear vector means the vectors either parallel or anti-parallel. Either parallel or anti-parallel vectors. These two vectors are parallel. These are anti-parallel. Collinear vector means parallel and anti-parallel vectors. Parallel and anti-parallel vectors is called as collinear vectors. Next type of the vector is the sixth vector is the null vector. Null vector. Do you know what is null? Zero. Null vector or zero vector. Zero vector. And we represent symbol 0 and arrow. Null vector. What is the definition of the null vector or zero vector? विचार करा काय असेल. A vector having zero magnitude. How is the direction? Any arbitrary direction means no direction. Any arbitrary direction means no direction. Note this definition of null vector. Note this definition of null vector. A vector having zero magnitude and any arbitrary direction. A vector having zero magnitude or any arbitrary direction is called as null vectors. We use many times the concept of null vector. Now next type of the vector, 0 च्या नंतर नंबर सिस्टम मध्ये काय येतं 1, and 7 type of vector is unit vector. Unit vector. What is the definition of unit vector? Tell me. You draw this vector. Any vector. We take this vector P. Any symbol we take. This vector P. And unit vector small p. And we denote cap. Clearly. P cap. Unit vector is represented by cap. What is the definition of unit vector? A vector having unit magnitude. You take the displacement vector 10 meter. Displacement vector 10 meter magnitude. What is the magnitude of unit vector? 1 meter. Magnitude of unit meter 1. म्हणजे एका वेक्टरचा एक छोटासा पार्ट ज्याचं मॅग्निट्यूड 1 मीटर युनिट असलं पाहिजे. युनिट असलं पाहिजे. अ वेक्टर हॅव्हिंग युनिट मॅग्निट्यूड इज कॉल्ड ॲज युनिट वेक्टर. अ वेक्टर हॅव्हिंग युनिट मॅग्निट्यूड इज कॉल्ड युनिट वेक्टर. अँड वी लर्न दिस वेक्टर डिटेल इन द फर्दर study. Further study we learn this vector detail, and so that is the unit vector. 8th, a resultant vector. A resultant vector. So the word resultant, resultant always two or more than two vectors combine. How we draw the resultant vector? Many vectors combine to form a single vector is called as a resultant vector. Let us learn this vector A, this vector B, and resultant of this vector R. What is the definition of resultant vector? Number of vectors combined to form a single vector. Number of vectors combined to form a single vector is called as a resultant vector. Do you know the definition? Minimum how many? 2 or more than 2 vectors. 2 or more than 2 vectors combined to form a single vector is called as a resultant vector. 2 or more than 2 vectors combined to form a single vector is called as a resultant vector. Next, 9. Position vector. Position vector. Let us tell me what is the position vector. Position means location vector. So how to locate the vector, position vector or location? This is the coordinate system. This is x axis and this is y axis. Draw this figure. X axis and y axis. And this is your location. Say A location. Then draw the line from origin to the so that is this is O and this is A, and many times it is denoted by letter small r. So what is the position vector? Position vector means a vector drawn from origin to the any location or position of the particle. A vector drawn from origin of the coordinate system, origin of the coordinate system to the any position. Not only this A position, you take this B position, so that you draw again this vector, that is B vector, position vector. The vector drawn from origin to the any position of the particle, vector drawn from origin to the any position of the particle is called as position vector. And next type of the vector, that is next type of the vector, 10th number, is orthogonal vector. Orthogonal vector. ऑर्थोगोनल वेक्टर शब्दाचा अर्थ कळतो. ऑर्थो मीन्स परपेंडिक्युलर. ऑर्थोचा अर्थ काय? परपेंडिक्युलर. ऑर्थोगोनल वेक्टर मीन्स परपेंडिक्युलर वेक्टर्स. हा वेक्टर ए आणि हा वेक्टर बी आहे. हा वेक्टर ए आणि हा वेक्टर बी, या दोन वेक्टर मधला अँगल 90 डिग्री असेल. द वेक्टर ए अँड बी आर सेड टू बी परपेंडिक्युलर टू ईच अदर. व्हॉट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ ऑर्थोगोनल वेक्टर्स? टू वेक्टर्स आर सेड टू बी ऑर्थोगोनल टू ईच अदर. The angle between the two vectors is 90 degree, or the given two vectors are right angles to each other. केव्हा म्हणतो आपण right angles to each other? या दोन वेक्टर मधला अँगल किती असला पाहिजे? कमीत कमी 90 डिग्री असेल तर त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? टू वेक्टर्स आर सेड टू बी right angles to each other. So that we learn different type of the vectors, and while studying the further, many times a reference point arises. Equal vector, opposite vector, collinear vector, unit vector, null vector. So that many times arises, and so therefore we learn the basically important is the unit vector. Concept of unit vector is separate article is there that we learn in the next year, and so therefore this is the type of vector we complete. And in the next video, we learn addition of two vectors. In the next video, we learn the addition of two vectors.